And when I look into your eyes, I see an angel in disguise, sent from God above for me to love, to hold and idolize. And as I hold your body near, I see this one truth through a year. And then forever on, till life is gone, I'll keep you loving me. And now I finally found my way to lead me down this lonely road. All I had to do is follow you to lighten up my load. You treat me like a rose and give me room to grow. You shone the light of love on me and gave me air so I can breathe. You opened doors to close in a world where anything goes. Within this bed of earth, just